In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to click on Text Correction and manage all of those options however you want to by clicking on the switches next to the chosen features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!